Well, hello! This is Max. I hope you're doing well. Let's get straight to business. Potatoes. Do they make good turbine blades? I know I've been wondering this ever since my 5-year-old asked. Did I buy this potato just for the intro? Maybe. A little bit of background. I was sitting at my desk when, out of nowhere, as kids do, my son gave me what looked like a blank piece of construction paper. I know. I was confused too. He says it's a turbine blade, and if you look closely, he poked a bunch of little holes. It's a potato. It's very potato-y. This is exactly the transformative, innovative ideas that can really shake up an industry. And just to think, 2 years ago, he was eating sand. Anyways, I'm gonna giggle a little bit if this knocks any of the other blades down the leaderboard. Oh, and speaking of the leaderboard, I'll be posting a video on how you can submit a turbine design for me to test soon. Maybe I've already posted it. I'll put a link in the doobly-doo. You put a like on the video, and don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss out. I forgot to say montage. I guess let's just test it. Okay, I was not expecting that to work. I think with some refinements, this blade might actually have some potential. Dad is very proud. Good job, buddy. Let's see where it ended up on the leaderboard. Okay, so it made 0.1383 watts, pushing down the jellyfish and the cone of shame. The potato doesn't have to go in the box of shame. Yay! Anyways, if you'd like to see more content like this, or have an idea you'd like me to test, leave a comment, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye. Peter? Maybe stay out of the wind tunnel today. It's not safe. Peter? Peter, you son of a...